I want to give you an assignment, an exercise for you. Exercise. I want you to do the following exercise. Question number 1. A stone is thrown vertically, upwards such that its height, in our case here we have the height, its height S meters above the ground, after t seconds, after the time t seconds, is given by the following. S is equal to 40t minus 10t squared. Find. So you can see in our case here we have the height S meters, so our height is the distance. That height is the distance. So find A, its height above the ground, after 2 seconds. So that's the first one. Calculate the distance or the height above the ground after 2 seconds. Then part B, its velocity. You calculate its velocity after 1 second. Its velocity after 1 second. Finally, the instant, number C, you calculate the instant at which the stone is 30 meters high. So whenever you hear of the instant, it simply means the time at which the stone is 30 meters high. And question number 2 that you need to also solve, question number 2, you've been given a ball, number 2, a ball is kicked upwards, and after t seconds, a ball is kicked upwards, and after t seconds, its height h meters is given by h is equal to 1 plus 60t then minus 18t squared. That is the equation for the height. So the question is find its height. You need to calculate its height, velocity, and acceleration. So you need to calculate the height, that's 1, then the velocity and acceleration. You calculate the 3 of the ball when at the following instant, when t is equal to 1, then when t is equal to 3, and number 3 when t is equal to 1, 2 over 3. All these are seconds. 3 seconds, 1, 2 over 3 seconds. So you ensure that you do these questions, calculate here the height, the velocity, and the acceleration. And by so doing, you'll be summarizing the whole sum topic, that is application of differentiation in calculation 1 of displacement, 2 velocity, and 3 acceleration. So to summarize all this, that is the application of differentiation, you need to note very well that when you want to calculate velocity, it is simply ds all over dt, where s is the displacement. It can still be the distance, it can still be the height, it can still be the length, all that. Then t is the time. Then again, when you want to get the acceleration, it is simply dv all over dt, where our a, this is v is the velocity, Here our a is the acceleration and the v is the velocity. Again here t is the time. So you differentiate velocity, the equation for velocity with respect to t. Then you differentiate this equation again with respect to t. So that's how we calculate velocity, ds dt, acceleration, dv all over dt. Thank you. Let us meet during the next lesson.